In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting using Calendly. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you're able to seamlessly connect to your scheduled events without any hassle. Let's dive into it. Imagine you've already signed up for Calendly and you're on the home page. The first thing you need to do is find your way to the Meetings section. Concentrate on the left-hand sidebar of your screen. This is where you'll notice the option labeled Meetings. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a page where all of your scheduled events are listed. Once you've clicked on Meetings, you'll see a series of meetings that you've either scheduled or been invited to. At this point, your task is to identify the specific meeting you'd like to join. Take your time to pick the correct event, because this step is crucial for the next ones. When you've found it, click on Details for that particular meeting. This will show you more information and give you the tools you need to proceed. Now that you're looking at the details of your chosen meeting, it's time to move to the Additional Details section, if it's available. This part often contains critical information about the meeting, such as the agenda or any specific requirements. It'll also guide you on how to join the meeting itself, so make sure you don't skip this part, as it sets you up for the next step. A key piece of information you'll find in the Additional Details section is the meeting address. Depending on the platform being used, this could be a Zoom link, a Google Meet link, or even a Microsoft Teams link. In our case today, we're dealing with a Zoom link. By clicking on this link, you'll be directed to the appropriate page where the meeting takes place. Be sure your device is equipped with the necessary applications, like the Zoom app if you're joining via Zoom, to ensure a smooth transition into the meeting. Upon clicking the link, you'll have the opportunity to launch and join the meeting. If you're using an application like Zoom, you may be prompted to open the app. Accept or allow your browser to make this transition. Before you know it, you'll find yourself in the virtual meeting room, ready to participate. Remember, every detail from recognizing the meeting through to joining is designed to be simple and straightforward on Calendly. With these clear directions, joining a meeting should feel effortless and intuitive. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope it makes your next meeting experience on Calendly a breeze.